you're on.
So let me tell you a little bit about the blood that we had taken from Osriel several years ago. We converted them, the blood cells, into induced pluripotent stem cells, and then subsequently we converted them into synthetic neurons that look just like neurons that came from someone without galactosemia. What we're trying to understand is how does the brain cell from someone with galactosemia become sick? And one of the important ways of doing that is to try to see if we have 25,000 genes in our body, how do the expression of those genes differ in someone with galactosemia compared to having normal GALT genes. And so we, besides Osriel, we've also prepared stem cells and neurons from 3 other individuals who happen to have a Q188R homozygosity instead of Q188R and Q188P. And so we're studying those cells compared to a few controls. And to make a long story short, what we've found so far is that there are genes that are more upregulated, expressed at a higher amount, sometimes as much as 90 times higher, but it can be as low as only 3 or 4 times higher. And what we found is that the gene expression can be low as well as high, but mainly they're higher in the 4 individuals with galactosemia. Since we're taking an individualized approach, we're not mixing everything together. We're studying each individual patient separately. And so far it seems that Osriel's showing the more significant overexpression of certain genes compared to the other 3 individuals. But please realize that this is preliminary data, and there's much more work to be done in this.
And that's because of her de novo mutation?
I don't know the answer to that. I don't know. I suspect it's related to other genes, and that's what we're trying to find out. So eventually what we'd like to do with everyone is do complete whole genome sequencing and to try to see whether the different neuronal expression of genes is related to some genes actually having mutations themselves, that if she didn't have galactosemia it wouldn't matter, but because she does, maybe together those 2 allow for the differential expression to come out.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Thank you.
Are you welcome?